A handful of books just came back from CGC. Let me get it unboxed and we'll see what we got today. All right, I got them open down here below me here. I'm going to go ahead and just pull them out one by one. Oh, okay, so this is that new one. The new Todd McFarlane cover, the Marvel Team Up number 14. And yeah, Invincible, I believe this is cover D. Yeah, cover D variant. So yeah, I think this is going to be a hit with McFarlane fans. So I know there's probably a million copies of this out there. So really the premium is to try and get a 9.9 or 10.0 of this book. And this is not my book. I thought this had a solid chance at the 9.9 because really what controls whether this book gets that or not is the top and the bottom of the spine. If you can see, these are pretty flawless. I did look at comparables, 9.9s. This looks just as good or better as the 9.9s that I saw so far. So yeah, don't really know how to get a 9.9 or 10. I just don't know how to do it. I mean, do you put a note in there or slip $50 into the center of the book? I mean, how do you get 9.9s on books that deserve it? And same deal on this one. Now, obviously, we don't expect to get 9.9s, but I was hopeful. These are of the, I think this not my book. I do have copies of this book, but this is somebody else's. I think he sent me something like 10 or 15 copies, and I picked the nicest two out of those. So, yeah, don't know what to think. These are the two copies I submitted, and both 9.8 white pages, which is great, but really we're trying to get that better than 9.8 for this modern book. So maybe we'll keep trying. I think I'm not going to send any more, but he is on the hunt for copies. I told him what to look for. Mainly look for bindery tears. I mean, that's pretty much it. Now, I actually do have a couple copies of my own of this book. I think I just submitted them. And one of them is a 10.0. 100%, hands down, 10.0. There's not one defect on the book. I think I recorded a video on it. If I can find that, I'll show you here on screen. I don't come across 10.0s very often, so I thought I would show this book. This is a definite 10.0. There's 0 defects. No bindery, no man-made. The toughest thing to avoid is the little bindery dings at the bottom and top of the spine. This one does not have those tears or dings on them at all. You can especially see it when you look at the back. See how you don't have that little tear or line there at the bottom of the spine? Every single copy of this book I've seen anywhere has that little tear at the bottom. This one does not. I've seen 9.9s with that little tiny tear at the bottom. This one has 0 tear. 0 marks, 0 dings. Yeah, this is a 10.0. So I'm going to submit it and see if we get one. So, let's see what else we got. Okay, next bin 102. Looks like we got a 9.4 on it. So I'm looking at my notes here. And it looks like I was expecting to get 9.6 or 9.8 on this book. So I'm not sure why we got the 9.4. It's a little bit of a mystery. I'll have to take a close look at the book, see what's going on with it. Look at the grader notes, that type of thing, because we got, a little bit lower, but, not to read anything into those Marvel team-ups, not getting the 9.9 or whatever. This one's just a little bit harsh. Unless I missed something, but we'll look at the grader notes, we'll look at it up close, but I was definitely expecting better than that. It looks better here in front of me as I'm looking at it, but, maybe there's a logical reason, something I missed. We'll find out. All right, next one we have is a Joker number 1. Now, I've had this book several times, and I've gotten it a 9.8 several times, and looking at my notes again, I did expect this to at least be a 9.6. So, getting the 9.4 again, a little bit low, means this grader might be a little bit harsh. So yeah, this is just as nice as the copy I got last time that was a 9.8. I was a little bit surprised to get a 9.8 on it. So this one went the other direction, got 9.4, so it's just amazing out there. There's a 9.8 that's not as nice as this 9.4 out there. And this 9.4 now is not as nice as what a 9.8. So once again, always buy the book, don't buy the grade. Because sometimes they're just undergraded and sometimes they're a little bit overgraded. So what can you do? But yeah, we'll have to revisit whether we can resubmit this one, because if I put down this a 9.6, it's extremely rare for me to get a lower grade than I anticipate, because I'm pretty dang conservative and picky when it comes to grades. So we'll just have to find out. All right, looks like this might be the last one. Certainly not least. This is a book that I have also, I believe, in 9.4. Now this is Platinum Edition, Spider-Man #1. This is a 1 defect book. This staple right here has that kind of weird rub, tick, whatever that is right there. This thing's flawless otherwise. So why we get 9.4, I have no idea. That is definitely harsh. This is at least a 9.6. I thought we had a good chance of 9.8. But, you know, we'll just have to probably just roll with the 9.4 here. I don't know if we want to resubmit it or not. I don't like resubmitting books too much. But it might be worth it on this one. I'll just have to ask the owner. Pretty sure this should be a 9.6 though. I'm not thinking it should definitely be 9.8, but this is much nicer than my 9.4 copy. So, yeah, I mean, it was virtually perfect except for that one little thing. And I'm not so sure that's not a common defect. I haven't seen enough of these books to even know. But, yeah, a little bit disappointing in the submission. I think we got a little bit of Harsh Harry going on here. And, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to think. It's hard for me to, know on camera without looking at these books more closely to see what's going on. I mean, I've had unboxings like this where then I looked at the books afterward, and I was like, oh, okay, well, it's just either an error by me, or it's not exactly always got to be Harsh Harry, to get low grades. It could be maybe I was being a little bit optimistic on the day I submitted these. So we'll find out, and we'll just have to deal with that off camera. But all signs indicate that this guy's a little bit more harsh than other graders. And yeah, I don't even think it's close. I think 3 of these should be 9.6 for sure. And with that outside chance of 9.8, right? So yeah, obviously I'll look at that off camera and we'll make a decision. So you might see these books again, and of course we'll update at that point. And if not, we'll just chalk it up to just one of those things that we can't win on all of them, right? I mean, we can't just run good on every single unboxing for the next 20 years or whatever, right? So I believe that's it today. I thought I had a couple more in that box, but I guess 5 is all there were. So we'll just cut it short. Stay nerdy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.